Hello everyone, today let's talk about hub shift oil seal. This is a TB oil seal, and this size is internal diameter is 50 and the external diameter is 65. This thing is 9. This is color black color. This is copy, this is sleeve, and it has with spring. Look this. This is a spring, and it's made of rubber and metal. There is rubber, there is metal. It has many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, and oil leakage prevention. Mud-proof water, thick in the spring and thick in the skeleton. It also has skeleton. Our factory also can provide customers the service. We can customize this size, this color, this material, this type. We also can customize. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.